Lucy, thanks very much. Tonight, a remarkable gift for the wives of two fallen soldiers. Veterans teamed up to refurbish cars for these Gold Star wives, and it was a moment they will never forget. 11 News reporter Robbie Reynolds shows us why it means so much to them.
3, 2, 1.
All right.
Michelle Sullivan tried, but she couldn't hold back the tears.
I'm amazed by the kindness of people, how generous people are today, and how understanding they are.
Her husband, Sergeant John Michael Sullivan, was killed in combat 13 years ago. He died just 24 hours before the birth of his son, John Sullivan Jr.
And when I lost him, I felt like I lost everything. But I didn't. He left somebody. And I'm grateful for that.
Michelle Sullivan has had recent car trouble, so the timing couldn't be better. Mechanics also refurbished a car for Gold Star wife Jennifer Norton. The employees are veterans who are always ready to help.
It's just a real team effort trying to get it back together and looking brand new so that we can reward a Gold Star family with that opportunity.
In Colorado Springs, Robbie Reynolds, KKTV 11 News.
What a gift. Those cars were donated by USAA and then worked on by mechanics from Caliber Collision. Caliber has a program called Changing Lanes that trains veterans.